Hello and welcome everyone. This is MAHAtech 2023 and we are at the stall of Maruti International and we are having with us Ms. Shilpa, who is the managing partner for this company. So they are the manufacturers of industrial lights. They are providing the best solutions, be it LED lights, be it any other kind of light. So technical information we will be taking from Ms. Shilpa. So welcome and please give us an insight about what you are demonstrating at MAHAtech.
Yes, thank you so much. First of all, so at MAHAtech, as a Maruti International, we are demonstrating here our LED lighting solutions. Majorly, we are catering to industries, so like pharma industries, any engineering company or manufacturing units. So we are specializing in industrial lighting, like pharma sector हो गया, then manufacturing engineering unit हो गया. So we are catering to any kind of industrial lighting, outdoor, indoor, everything. So you can say everything in LED lighting under one roof.
Great. So, as you already said that you are catering to so many industries, how has been the response to your business? How it's going, and how MAHAtech is, being a biggest player for Maharashtrians in this region. So, how it helps to bring a business?
Yeah, actually this is my first time we are exhibiting at MAHAtech. So for this is my first, it will be my first experience. But yes, being today is the first day. But from morning we are getting good responses and many industrial customers visiting our stall and they're appreciating that they are getting LED lighting solution under one roof. So it's good actually to be a part of MAHAtech.
That's great. So, you might be aware about the campaign Make in India.
Yeah.
And I'm sure your company is contributing a lot
Yes.
to the Make in India campaign through your lighting solutions or maybe another solution.
Yes.
So, just give us an insight about how you're contributing to
Yes,
Make
so
in India.
under Make in India, we have started manufacturing our LED light driver our own. So all the electronics components that we are buying from India only now, and we have started manufacturing in-house. And another one venture we have just started 1.5 years back, which is SRCN chargers, under which we are manufacturing mobile chargers and accessories. Yeah, so it's actually a biggest step towards avoiding Chinese products because nowadays there is in every sector there should be it should be something that get manufactured in India only. So this is the biggest sector I can say. So we have started manufacturing that also, and now we are looking forward to cater to distributors, wholesalers, pan India for our products for SRCN chargers.
That's really great and nice to hear that you're contributing to the Make in India campaign. And this is great to hear and this is great to promote. So thank you so much for your time.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Yeah.